As you can see from my previous shorts, I have an EcoFlow Ultra here. It's a very nice unit. I've used it for several days before doing this review. As you can see, it does not come with wheels. I recommend you to get something like this. That's for plants. It's a nice and heavy unit, so be careful because it's very well made. The backside is a heavy, thick metal that can dissipate the heat that you get from the unit. It's absolutely silent, no fans at all, and as you can see, you can tuck it in a little corner and forget about it. It's waterproof, but I recommend using it inside. The device tells you the power and what it's doing with these LEDs. This is the one that indicates that it's online. That's the one that indicates that the charge that there's in that moment, as you can see, is low, because in the morning I've used all the power in the night, and it's charging. That's flashing light means it's charging. In the back of the unit, you can see we have all the MFTs. It's 4. A nice bracket to avoid having problems with the wires, and that's a magnetic cover that's used to protect the input power from the grid. 2 ports that are connected to the battery with the inverter, and another port is used to connect another battery in parallel. It comes with very long extension cables for the solar panels. I've used all of them. They're very useful. I connected all the panels with fuses. Every MPPT gets its own cable that's fused on the positive side with photovoltaic devices like this one you can see. I live in a small apartment, so I have only a balcony to connect, but I can get nice power with this. I have these flat panels on 1 MPPT. These panels that are facing another time for the sun. This one, the big one, and this big one. Having 4 MPPTs is useful because, as you have seen, you can connect different size of panels, different type of panels that are facing a different orientation, so you can get a maximum amount of solar from your little setup. I can get around 2 kilowatt hours in a day. That I think it's a good result for the orientation that I can use, and the small portion of sun I can get. The setup is made through the EcoFlow app that you have seen in my previous short. I recommend going to see that. And as you can see, you have all the information about the different PV inputs. You can get information about how much every panel is working, is functioning, and it has no errors. You have the grid power. You have the connection with the meter that I recommend to avoid wasting power sending into the grid, in which year you don't get paid for. So you must maximize the solar production for the use that you have in that moment, and store everything else in this battery that, as you know, is 2 kilowatt hours approximately. I find it a very nice unit, and if you can find it with a discount price, it's very good and competitive with other solutions. Thanks.